How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, we're going to do a little bit different style video today. I'm going to take you guys on a little bit of a property tour of the new place you picked up last year around Christmas time here. If any of you guys followed my channel for any length of time, know I used to own a house in Keswick. We sold that about this time last year. I think it was September, about the middle of September kind of time, and we closed on that, and then we picked this place up just before Christmas last year. I've been meaning to take you guys on a bit of a property tour here, but just really haven't had a chance to do it. I was going to try and do it in the winter time, but it's winter time and no one really wants to do that stuff then. Anyway, I just finished a quick little mow up here with the S100, so let's flip you guys around and I'll show you around. Of course, you guys have seen the main shop and all that in several videos, so I'm not really going to take you guys through there too much. Like I said, I just finished mowing. It'll probably be the last mow of the year. Anyway, take you guys for a little ride here and we'll go down to the sheds. We are on about a half-acre property. I think it's a little bit more than that. We are on a corner lot on a dead-end road, so I think it's more closer to about 3/4 of an acre because we have the ditches and all that stuff too. So it's a fair chunk of property, bigger than what I used to have before. I had a 130-foot deep lot before. Let's go for a little ride here real quick. The S100 works pretty good. It's just about the right size for this property. I mean, I could go for a little bit bigger deck, a 48-inch deck, but the 42-inch deck works actually not too bad. I'm up to almost 24 hours now. If you guys see that, 23.7 hours. I almost tack on an hour a mow. If I do everything, that's the front, back. There's a little side piece behind these cedar hedges here. And then back here's a developer that bought this, but everyone kind of maintains that little piece for now. Of course, we just put this fence in here this summer. Back here is kind of where I keep my scrap metal and all that now. There's my old carport frame, which I haven't really decided if I'm going to put that up here just yet. I would like to put it where that fire pit is, but the boss inside there says no. But anyway, we'll figure something out. Anyway, yeah, big fire pit back in the corner there. I think this is either a 10 by 10 or 10 by 12 poly shed here. And the poly's nice because you know it won't rot. So I'm just kind of using this for equipment and stuff. Oh yeah, and I wasn't looking to see that anytime soon. Of course, we're getting into October here almost now. I think it's the 1st of October. I think on Tuesday up here, I think. Anyway, just keep some equipment and machinery up here, tools and whatnot. This is just a snow blower and the wheelbarrow and dump carts back here now. My little spreader. Gonna get you guys a spreading video here in the springtime, but it was kind of rainy and nasty, and I wanted to just kind of get it done. I was gonna use a little Oliver 145 on that. I thought it would make a nice video, but oh well, this is what it is. It's always next year. So yeah, like I said, I think it's a 10 by 10 shed here. Got some extra blocks and whatnot, and I'm kind of working on a plan for the winter time because in the big shop I'm gonna need the room. Obs for the 80, and of course if I drag something else home, which I'm not gonna say anything about that just yet. A little stockpile of dirt there from some of the wife's projects, doing the garden and whatnot. Now that I took that tree down in the summertime, I didn't get it on video because didn't know if you guys were into the lumberjack videos or not, but that was a fun little project with the MS-170 chainsaw there. And of course I got all the trunks, pieces of the trunks and big stuff stacked back here. I mean, it's not the perfect stack, but I mean, eventually I'm gonna have to split all that stuff because I want to use it for firewood. But either use it for firewood or I'll donate to the steam show grounds. I took a lot of the small stuff up there already. Yeah, it's a pretty nice chunk of property. There's a little S100. Now back here, kind of using this for overflow shop storage. Kind of setting something up. Oh, there's the... Yeah, we had to put the Oliver 145 in the back here because I want to get it out of the main shop because, of course, I got the 80 all apart right now. There's that ET250. Yep, still have that. So there's not really too much back here just yet. I've kind of just got this cleaned out from the previous tenant there a little while ago, and I'm thinking about putting hit and miss engines and tractor parts back here eventually. But yeah, we got some of the outdoor furniture already stored away because, of course, well, that Tundra weather is not going to be on its way here in about a month or so's time. So you guys know me well enough. I don't like keeping stuff outside. So anyway, we got the 145, the ET250, Scored this really nice shelf. Of course, outside furniture, the wires, winter tires. And that's pretty well it for that. This is a big shed. I don't know how big it is. I think it's probably at least, it's probably about a 10 by, maybe a 10 by 18 and maybe even 20. I don't know. I'll have to get the tape measure out and have a little measure at it. But I do keep my stuff locked up. I just wanted to unlock it for the video here to show you guys kind of what we're up to. So I'll name this Overflow Tractor Storage. Parts and hit and miss stuff and garden tractor and stuff. I was wanting to drag the 320 John Deere back here, but I don't think the S100 is up for that, and I don't want to use the 145, and of course the 1820 is too darn big to get through the gate. This is our little potato patch back here. We grew some potatoes this year. I think they're either white or yellow potatoes, but either way they're pretty tasty. Anyway, a couple of pine trees here still. And back here is really not too much, just the swale. This swale goes all, or the ditch, and then the swale comes into the ditch here, and then the ditch runs all the way down the road. So this is just a temporary dog fence to set up back here. This would have been a nice chunk of property to get back here, but unfortunately the lot lines right where this fence is, actually we're 6 inches back. Had a piece of this tree split back there in the early summer, and we had actually just got the fence up, and part of this tree split, landed on this shed and on this fence, but we had no damage, so it was good. And that fact, but I cut up some more firewood and took it in. But anyway, I'm gonna go around the side here and I'll show you guys from the back side. I gotta move some tree branches anyway with the John Deere, so let's go around back for a tour. Oh yeah, there's a dirty old truck of mine. Anyway, got a fairly long driveway here now, so I think I said in the video, I was looking at picking up a snowblower kit for the S100, but they are very expensive. I got a quote from the John Deere dealer there in Erin back in the summertime, and they're like $2,600. And that's the blower, the drivetrain, so obviously you drop the mower deck off for the tractor and whatnot, so you get the whole drivetrain, the blower, you get suitcase weights, the weight bracket, there's something else in there too, I can't remember right now. But anyway, this with the walk behind blower, it takes quite a while. Of course, it comes back to the shop here too. Oh yeah, that's where the trailer sits too. Don't mind my garbage pile in front of the shop either. Alright, we're gonna do a little log skid with the John Deere. I mean a little log skid. Not that it's all that heavy to pick up, but if you got the tractor out, you might as well use that instead. I already moved these. Well, this is the back side of the place. This isn't our property back here. I think I already said in the video, but that's where that big tree split right there, right in the Y. I think it's only a matter of time for this part starts to come down. We had a pretty big thunderstorm up here back in, I think it was June. But this tree's slowly starting to die now, so I don't know, maybe I should come back here with the chainsaw and just take it right down. But at the end of the day, it's also not really my problem. So if it comes down and it comes over my side of the fence, then we'll deal with it. Anyway, I wanted to get those 3 little branches moved there. I thought it'd be funny to call it mini log skidding. Entertainment for you guys anyway. I wanted to get in there and mow that ditch a little bit. I haven't done this side yet, but it's rather steep in there, so they usually do it with a weed whacker, but I haven't been able to get back there since all that come down because, well, I've been kind of a busy guy this summer. So anyway, if you guys like that little video, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.